November 16th, 2020, Fluency. Number 1, what is the sum of 16 and 12 hundredths and 2 and 3 hundredths? So I know that word sum is going to mean add, so addition. So I'm going to add these two numbers. Now, when I'm adding, do I have to line up my decimals? Yes, you do. So I'm going to add 16 and 12 hundredths, so 16 with that decimal 1, 2. Remember your decimals when you're adding and subtracting. Line them up. Line them up. All right, so 2 and 3 tenths. Now let's add them up. All right, so when I add these up, we can put a placeholder of 0 here if you would like. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 3 is 4. Drop your decimal, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. So our answer is 18 and 42 hundredths. Awesome, awesome. All right, let's take a look at the next one, number 2. Find the quotient of 51 divided by 3. I know that word quotient means we're going to divide. So 51 divided by 3. 51 is going to be our dividend and go on the inside of our house. So 51 divided by 3. 3 is our divisor, and that goes on the outside of our house. All right, so we have 51 divided by 3. First, we're going to take this 3. How many times can 3 go into 5? I know it can go into 5 one time. So 3 times 1 is 3. Now what are we going to do? We will subtract. 5 minus 3 is going to be 2. What do I need to do with that 1? Drop it low. All right, so now we bring down that 1. Now we have 21. How many times can 3 go into 21 without going over? Oh, it can go into 21 perfectly 7 times. Because I know 7 times 3, or 3 times 7 is going to be 21. So I'm going to then write my 21, and we subtract. So 21 minus 21 is going to be 0. So we have no remainders, no more numbers to bring down. And so then we get an answer of 17. So our answer is 17. All right, let's take a look at number 3. What is the product of 21 and 5 and 9 tenths? Products. That means we're going to multiply. So when we do multiply, do I have to line up my decimals? Nope, I do not. So I'm going to do 21 times 5 and 9 tenths. We will worry about our decimals later. 5 and 9 tenths. Not that. There we go. 5 and 9 tenths. I'm going to line them up to the right. All right, here we go. Let's do it. We're going to multiply. So, 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2, 18. Oh, sorry. I don't know why I carried that. 9 times 2 is 18. All right, so 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. All right, now we are done with that 9, so I'm going to cross it out because I'm done with it. We are moving over a place value, so that means we need to put a placeholder of 0 under this 9. Now we can do this, we can multiply this 5 through. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. All right, now what are we going to do with these numbers? We're going to add them up. Add them up, add them up, add them, add them, add them up. All righty, now we have 9 plus 0, which is 9. 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm going to carry that 1 and drop that 3. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 2. And then 1 plus 0 or 0 plus 1 is 1. So is my answer 1,239? Not quite. What did we forget to do? We forgot to put in our decimals. So let's see how many decimals total. So there's none up here in the first part, but this part there is, this number. So we only go in one time there. So in our answer, we're only going to go in one time. So our answer is going to be, well, our decimal is going to go between that 3 and that 9. So our answer is going to be 123 and 9/10. So 123.9. And that is it for your fluency. Great job today.